Hello, welcome to CompXM 2023 guide and tip for each round. So we are leading the game with top results, right? Round 1, round 2, round 3, round 4. I provided 4 videos, so you can just watch one by one. You can win the CompXM in 1 or 2 hours, right? CompXM is an exam after CapSim, Capstone, so it is different from student to student. So number may be different. You need to check your game industry condition report to update the free Excel file to get the update details for. And also do not use the number on the screen. You need to update with your game numbers, right? With your game numbers. We update the 8 product, and also we have double the sales and double the profit in each segment. In all the 4 segments, so we have double sale and profit from round 3, and this is round 4. It is easy, right? You just keep update the product again using the industry condition report from your game, and also download the free Excel file to update more easily, right? You can update R&D, update marketing, and update promotion using the free Excel file with the link under this video, right? Or you can send the email to get that. If you need the support, you can send the email to I also, and arrange also 1 hour for Zoom session. I will explain all the decision for you, so we can win CompXM in 1 or 2 hours, right? On the round, on the 4 round and 5 quizzes. For the last round, like this is round 4, right? So you can update the price by review from 50 cents to maintain product competitiveness, and also you see that we have top sale and profit in all 4 rounds, and round 3 we have very high sale and profit compared with competitors. You also have the top stock price also in round 3, and of course in round 4 we can get the top result, a much higher stock price. And now we calculate the sale focus, so we need to look at the career report to get the number of units we sold from last round, and also we check the unit inventories we have. We use a unit number of units we sold from last round and multiple by the segment growth to calculate the sale focus, and you input into the marketing table as you are doing on the screen. For the marketing table, we calculate the sale focus based on the number of units we sold from last round. And we also calculate the production schedule, right? Using the free Excel file you download after the video at the with the link under the video. And now you input the production schedule for the products. Remember that games are different, CompXM are different from student to student, so do not use the number above. You need to update with the number from your industry condition report. You can read the details in the blogs, right? Or you can send the email. I will support that, or you can arrange the Zoom section for explanation for all the season of your game, and then you can do that in 1 or 2 hours, right? Also we update the human resource management with 5,080 hours, so we keep that all for all 8 rounds. And for finance, this is the last round, right? We can pay back, we can buy back retail stock, we can buy back on the stock, we can pay dividend about $10 to get the top dividends. To increase the earning per share and stock price, so we still have a lot of cash, so we can retire long-term loans about 50 or 60,000 in here. So yeah, we still get we pay dividend, we buy back the stock, we pay long-term debt, so we still apply 1,000 for all the 10 TQM initiatives, right? Each about 1,000 around, so get a total of 4,000, the most effective budget for TQM. Each initiative you get very high sales now and very high profit, and net profit of 20% of sales, so that's very high. So you see the result on the screen for the 4 rounds, right? You get very good sales, very good results, and also the balance scorecard very high, right? Around 775 out of 80, right? And total score we get about 920 out of 909, about 93%. So that's really good result. We can check the sale, right? You see the very top sale and top profit much higher than all the other 3 competitors. And we also get the top price nearly double, 2 times higher than the top competitors, right? We get 189. Yeah, you see the chart of the stock price. Thank you for watching. Good luck and success. If you need the Excel file, you download the free under the video. If you need the guide for details, you can send the email and arrange 1 hour for Zoom guidelines and tips. Thank you. Good luck and success.